For today's property tour, we are in Ajax, 210 London Lane, which is at Roslyn and Westney Road. It is a POTL townhome, 3 bedrooms, plus 1 in the basement or main level, whatever we want to call it. But yeah, the POTL fee stands for parcel of tied land, and it's $162. And that covers stuff like garbage pickup and then snow plowing of the actual roads here. So it is a townhome that is about 6 years old. So it was built in 2017. So you don't have to worry about stuff like windows, roof, furnace, air conditioner for probably at least 8 years, because the lifespan is typically 14 to 20 years for those things. So let's turn the camera around and we will go for a tour of this 3-bedroom townhome located in Ajax. So this is the street. So you kind of enter right off of from Roslyn. So you have some visitor parking. That's kind of where my truck's parked. But then you also have some private parking, which belongs to the units. You have trees right across. When I had my drone up into the air, there was an eagle or a falcon or something circling it. So I quickly got it down so it wasn't typically as long. So yeah, it's a 2.5-story type. And then the Sirwat Ahmed, she was nice enough to let me do an open house here, and then yeah, do a property tour as well. So you walk right in. We do have 1 car parking here, and then kind of go all the way up, and then we will look in. Welcome inside. I am excited to show you what the inside looks like. It is a 3+1 bedroom. It has 3.5 bathrooms, so it has 3 full showers, and then 1 powder room on the main floor. The house has been nicely renovated and updated. It was built in 2017, so it's relatively new. So a lot of the roof, windows, furnace, air conditioner, not something you're gonna have to worry for probably a minimum of 8 years, which is amazing. So let's just turn the camera around and then we'll jump on in. So this is the front entrance. So you have a closet right here. So yeah, your room for jackets and shoes. It's kind of the door, has big windows and then really high ceilings. You'll be able to kind of see there. This is a layout where you walk up a flight of stairs, you go left into the kitchen, living room, and then if you were to go down, you'll go into like the basement level, which they have it set up as a bedroom because it has a bathroom and all that kind of stuff. So let's just kind of go up. And you'll see it has like the feature wall that's right there, the Juliet style balcony here. So there's nothing for you to actually go out, but you can open the door and get some nice fresh air. And it's a big window, so it makes it super bright. You do have pot lights here as well. And then it's open to the kitchen. You have a patio for the backyard. And then you got the powder room here. Kind of see what that is, just a vanity and a toilet. So this is the kitchen. You have undermount sink, which is good if you have crumbs or water. It's easy to kind of push it right into the sink. Some of them have the metal that kind of laps over, and then you have this little crevice that kind of goes and things get stuck there. You do have a granite countertop, and dishwasher is over here, and then you have stainless steel fridge, stove, and dishwasher, and then you have a backsplash. And then you have the valance lighting underneath the cabinets, which just helps with the mood lighting, we'll call it. You have the valance lighting and then pot lights. So with all this light plus the big windows, it's a super bright, spacious kitchen, which you can definitely work your magic on here. Let's continue on with the tour. And you continue on here. You have the sitting area. Yeah, you got a little wooden deck here. Backyard. And that's Roslyn back there. So yeah, it's a nice private. Come back in. So yeah, you got big trees, stuff like that. So close this. So we'll go to the basement after. Yeah, so that's the powder room. And then this is the stairs. We'll go up to this level. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms up here. New laminate has been laid. That's the bathroom. And then you got a closet. And then you have laundry room there. So we'll start here. So this would be bedroom number 1, which gives you a closet. Kind of go from there. Bedroom 1. Second level has 8-foot ceilings, big windows. You can fit a double bed here. Good kid's bedroom. You got another closet. And then you got washer and dryer, stackable. Dryer at the top, washer at the bottom. It is full size, so don't let the size and how it's stacked fool you. You can definitely fit king size sheets in there. And this thing's actually good. It's called a beater bar. So what it does is, as the laundry is going around, it helps just I guess get the dirt off. But the good thing it does, it actually keeps the laundry in a perfect circle. So when it's going through the spin cycle to get all the water off, you'll actually have it where it helps balance the load a little bit better. Mine doesn't have that. And if we put a big sheet in, or a big king size mattress or king size blanket in, and we don't have it centered properly, the load will actually, it's self-sensing, so it doesn't even work. It'll stop after 3 tries, which is a pain in the butt. But so this is the 4-piece. So 1-piece, 2-piece, 3, and then you have 4 at the top. So 4-piece bathroom here. It's got the fan, which will help when you're showering, gets the moisture out, prevents mold. And then you have a linen closet here. These are super handy for towels and toilet paper and cleaning supplies. This is the primary bedroom. So you'll have it where this is a king size mattress in there, big window, and then you have a walk-in closet. Let me just pop the light on here. Yeah, walk-in closet, which is a good size. Yeah, you could come in here. It overlooks the backyard, so it has like a good view there. It's kind of the backyard. And then here is a 5-piece. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So full 5-piece, big window. Sorry, there's a window behind the door, but you have the lights. So really, there's 5 lights in this bathroom, so it makes it bright. And same thing with here as well. So we will just continue on down. So big kitchen, lots of cupboards. It's nice that way. This is kind of what the front looks like. So you do have some private parking directly across, but then you do have some visitor parking. So the truck over there, that's mine. This is where you go down. So they have it set up as a bedroom because you, like I mentioned, you have a closet and then you have a full bathroom here. So it's a 4-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, you got a fan and a window. Right. And then that's the backyard. Air conditioner. And then that's Rosalind back there. Queen size bed. And then you have a closet here as well. So that's a 3+1 bedroom home. This is the HVAC. So you got your furnace, which is 6 years old. So you don't have to worry about anything with the furnace for at least 8 years, because the lifespan of a furnace is 14 to 20 years. And then you have your hot water tank, which are typically rentals here, ranging between $25 to $50 per month for the rentals. This I'm not sure what this is. I've seen it a few times, but yeah, I'm not sure what that one is there. It looks like a holding tank of some sort. Yeah. And then when you have a furnace, this is the furnace filter. Make sure you change it. I was told by an HVAC person, buy the cheapest filters you can, but try and change them monthly, because sometimes people spend like $60 on these furnace filters that last like 6 months, but by the time you wait for 6 months, they're super dirty. Then you have the garage, so yeah, long garage. And then the nice thing about it is you have room on the side, so you could park a vehicle in it, but you can actually store stuff. And then they gave a hide and seek hiding spot for kids right there. So that's really good for extra hiding spots. And then the panel is a 100 amp panel, and you can tell because of the breaker it says 100, and you got some empty room on there too. So yeah, you could easily fit a car in here. And then that there, along with this plug, is for a future central vac. If you wanted to add it, you already have all the piping ran through the house, so you just have to add the unit and then add the face plates as well. So that's kind of good to know. You don't have to mess around too much. And then there is a garage door opener. And so this is a belt drive. So there's two kinds. There's a chain drive and then there's a belt drive. The belt drives are good because they're quieter. Chain drives are just really loud. Go back up. Well, that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and comment, share it with your friends. It helps my videos get put in front of more people. Plus, it also gets my channel to grow as well. So I definitely appreciate it if you could do that. This was just a tour of a 3+1 bedroom townhome in Ajax. And it's located pretty much on the Pickering border, because if you go west, just another like 5 minutes, you are in Pickering. So it's kind of good for that sense. You're at Westney, so you just go south on Westney, you're right at the GO station. So it's conveniently located to everything. And that's kind of what a lot of people would like when they are looking in this area. I have helped so many people looking to move here from all over the world, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for help and you want that help for moving to Ajax, Whitby, Oshawa, Pickering, Toronto, wherever, all you have to do, call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. I'm here to make everything just go so much easier. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel, and until next time.